Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on ablestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 4 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are compare and convert customary units of volume, compare and convert customary units, compare customary units by multiplying, which metric unit is appropriate. But please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 4 math. Chapter we are on right now is unit of measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is compare and convert customary unit of volume. So let's just start with the lesson. Which is more, 4 cups or 1 pint? One pint is same as 2 cups. One pint is same as 2 cups. 4 cups is more than 3 cups. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is more, 12 pints or 1 gallon? 12 pints is more than 1 gallon because 1 pint equal 1 gallon equal 8 pints. Which is more, 2 cups or 1 third? One quart is more than 2 cups. Option number two is the correct option. 8 pints equal 1 gallon. Option number 2 is the correct option. Eight pints equal 1 gallon. Option number 2 is the correct option. Four cups equal how many quarts? Four cups equal 1 quart. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 3 cups or 1 pint? Three cups is more, 1 pint equal 2 cups. One and equal how many quarts? One gallon equal 4 quarts. Option number 1 is the correct option. One pint equal 2 cups. Option number 3 is the correct option. One gallon equal how many pints? One gallon equal 8 pints. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 1 gallon or 2 quarts? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just more information. Compare and convert customary units. which is 3,965 pounds for 1 ton. 1 ton is same as 2,000 pounds. So 3,965 pounds is more than 2,000 pounds, which is more 1/4 or 24 inches. Twenty-four inches is more than 1/4 because 1/4 is same as 12 inches. Let's just start with the test questions. 1 quart equal how many cups? 1 quart equals 4 cups. Option number two is the correct option. Eight pints equal how many gallons? 8 pints equal 1 gallon. Option number two is the correct option. Which is more 3,965 pounds or 1 ton. Option number one is the correct option. Which is more 14 ounces or 1 pound. 14 ounces is more than 1 pound. Option number two is no, sorry, 1 pound is more because 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Which is more 1 ton or 351 pounds. One ton is more than 365. Which is more, 13 ounces or 1 pound? £1 is more than 13 ounces because 1 pound equals 60 ounces. One ton equal how many pounds? One ton equal 2,000 pounds. Option number one is the correct option. Which is more, 2 feet or 1 year? One yard is more than 2 feet. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move to next step. Compare customer units by multiplying. A teddy bear weighs 6 ounces. Two five teddy bears weigh more than 3 pounds. So we have five teddy bears. 5 times 6 is 30. That means the weight of five teddy bears is 30 ounces. Now convert 3 pounds to. Now convert 3 pounds to ounces. So 3 times 15 is 48. That is 48. So 48 is more than 30. That means five teddy bear is not more than 3 pounds. Let's just start with the test questions. A can of soda has a volume of 1 cup. Is the volume of 11 cans of soda greater than 4 quarts. One can of soda 1 times 11 is 11 cup. We have to convert 4 quarts to cup. So 4 quarts equal how many cups? 4 quarts equals 4 times 4 is 16 cups because in one pot we have 4 cups. So 11 cups is 11 cups. The volume of 11 can of soda is not greater than 4 quarts. The correct option is no. A teddy bear weighs 6 ounces. Do 5 teddy bear weigh more than 3 pounds? The correct option is no. Option number 2 is the correct option. The ice skate is 9 inches long. Is a line of 6 ice skates longer than 3 feet? So 9 times 68 is, sorry, 9 times 6 because we have 6 ice skates. So 9 times 6 is 54 inches. Now we need to convert 3 feet to inches. So 3 feet equal how many inches? We need to multiply it by 12 because 1 feet equal 12 inches. So 3 times 12 is 36 inches. So 54 inches is more than 36 inches. So the correct option is yes. The correct option is yes. An eyedropper holds a volume of 1 teaspoon. Is the volume of 6 eyedroppers greater than 3 tablespoons? The correct option is the option number 2 is the correct option. A carton of orange juice has a volume of 2 quarts. Is the volume of 3 cartons of juice greater than 3 gallons? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. It is okay. Let me just know. Which metric unit is appropriate? Which of the better estimate for the volume of the plastic shopping bag? Two liters is a better estimate because 2 liters is too little. Let's just start with the test question. Which is the better estimate for the volume of the grocery bag? The volume of the grocery bag is the 4 liters. Option number two is the correct option. That is which is the better estimate for the weight of a pencil? That is 5 grams, 5 kilograms is too much. So option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the height of the giraffe? That would be 4 meters. Option number two is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the volume of paper shaker? That is 35 millimeters. Option number one is the correct option. which is the better estimate for the volume for plastic shopping bag. That is 2 liters. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a thimble. That is 2 milliliters. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a dining table. That would be 12 kilograms. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a chain bag. That is 1 kilogram. Option number two is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a kitchen pot. That would be 6 liters. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a snail. That is 12 grams. Option number two is the correct option. Which is the weight better estimate for the weight of the length of a shovel. That is 37 centimeter. Option number one is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the length of a car? That is 50 millimeter. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which is a better estimate for the distance of a long running race? That is 7 kilometers. Option number 2 is the correct. Which is a better estimate for the period of a tea band? That is 36 grams. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. It would win. So we were working on grade 4 math. Chapter we were working on is compare and convert customer unit of volume, compare and convert customer units, compare customer units by multiplying which metric unit is appropriate. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have. Any questions you can ask if you have any.